right, so we just pulled into the Shell gas station. It is Monday the 13th, about 6:30 in the morning. I'm here with Brian behind me, getting the sled gassed up, because we're gonna head to Reef Runner, pick that thing up, and head up to Stuart, Eden's Marine, to get our Mercury 350 Verado installed, and we want to take you along for the ride.
That's not Fidel Castro, that's Brian Gonzalez. Like they say, everything here is a Tetris game. Just kind of gotta get that sucker around the corner, and we'll meet them right back at the other side of the shop. When you don't have a lot of space, you gotta figure out what to do, and the folks here at Reef Runner know nothing else but figuring out what they gotta do.
Looking good on that rocket trailer. Break that in with a nice 2-hour road trip up north to Stuart, Florida. We have made it. Pirates Cove Marina, driving into Eden's Marine headquarters. People have asked why we're working with Eden's Marine instead of doing this with Reef Runner directly, and the answer is pretty simple. Besides being good friends of ours and extremely knowledgeable in the industry, they always volunteer excellent information, and that kind of stuff is what we look for when we partner up with anyone. So we spoke to them about possibly working together, and we did. What we have is a demo engine, which actually is coming off of this 25 Latitude. We're going to put it on our Reef Runner to be able to make it through the Miami Boat Show and some of those projects that we have coming up. That one in particular will go up for sale once we're done with it, and we'll swap it out for another demo engine. Works out great for everybody, and we look forward to working much more with Eden's Marine as we roll into the future.
What's got going on there, Greg?
Finding the center line so we can get the motor mounted in here and put it right smack dab in the middle.
Here we go. Greg the man. Yeah.
When I first started this.
I'll leave it right there. Come on the first of the load.
your back around and then come in.
And we're even Stevens on the inside, so it'll go right to the back of the hump. You go up there, then get.
Hey, this is
give it a
gotta
couple.
go on.
No, give it
No,
a
I
couple.
can't adjust that one.
You can't adjust that one. What do you got to get a different barrel? Pretty close.
Yeah, it's just the negative's probably gonna go further than the black and the red, but at least we'll start it there.
All right, here we go. First official running footage of the CCO Reef Runner 23. She looks mean. Paces, just making sure everything's 100% before we take her home.
All right, so there you have it. That was our day at Eden's Marine, getting that boat up here and starting the process of mounting the 350 Verado. Very cool, very comfortable how they have everything set up here, and they're actually looking for a new location, so we'll show you some of that when they get here. But if you're looking for anything that's to do with Mercury or servicing any of the large name brand outboards, Eden's Marine in Stort is definitely a place to check out. So check out Eden's Marine on Instagram, their website as well, and centerconsolesonly.net for much more to come. We want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.